things are gonna be in Averie.
I don't know. I really want
Maybe
MC swag.
MC swag. No, I'm not really into LOLs, but I kind of remember that one. Okay, we got one side open. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, whoa, mine kind of rips. Not satisfying. How does yours come out so clean?
I don't know. Whoa! Look it!
Wow, you got a little capsule. Ooh, whoa, there's even more. Okay. Oh, whoa! Yo, I know what this is.
What?
Guys, it's a, so I don't know if you guys know what this is, but it's one of the things where on every time you rip it open, there's a different surprise.
Oh, yeah.
Like on this one, I got LOL Tiny Toys. Tiny Toys. I guess you can get like a little robot. Oh, you can build like a little camper van, another robot. Well, that actually seems pretty cool. Now to Averie.
So it looks like I got this Moj.
Hey, wait, and I found Num Noms. I found some Num Noms on the side.
And I got an LOL. I've always wanted one of these. It's an LOL spring ring. It's so cute.
Okay, well, I guess we're gonna open these toys. Averie, you can go first, I guess.
Okay, I'm gonna start with this Moj. Look it, I see blind bags inside. Let's open it now.
I wonder what we're gonna get. Oh, it's a little stuck in there. Whoa!
I got a tiger. It feels like something's inside.
Could I feel it? Whoa!
What? Look it, guys. Guys, look at this. It's so cute. And a bubble also comes out of it.
Oh, gee, do you guys see it? It's so cute. Okay, well, now that we did that, it's my turn to open, right? We still got a whole bunch of stuff to open. So let's get right into it. Okay, so we got our little blind baggie here, and we got our, oh, this is the collector's guide. I can't wait to see what one we got. So, guys, that's so cool. It looks like I'm gonna have Averie help me with this, but it looks like we get to dig the Nom Noms out of the snow, and I guess it looks like there's up to 8 surprises and 100 plus to collect. Okay, so it looks like we got to get some water to make this stuff grow. So let's go. Whoa, guys, look at that.
Maybe
That's
we
so
should
cool.
dig now.
I don't think so. I think we gotta let it sit for a little bit. Guys, so let's start digging. It's so weird. I think we got a double. Okay, so I see. Oh my God, there's actually so many. This thing's gonna be a mess. Whoa, look at that. You guys see them?
Look at all these adorable Nom Noms. Now I'm gonna open this winter disco. Let's start opening. I gotta know. I wonder what it says. Light the tree. I wonder what this is gonna be. Whoa, I think I can tap this. Or I opened it. Now let's see what I got. Wow, there's so many of these. Aw, there's little stickers. Look at these blind bags. Oh, the first blind bag. I wonder what this one is gonna be.
I think it's the shoes. That's what you said.
You're right.
I'm gonna open the next one. Let's see what's inside of here. Whoa, it's a diamond ring bag. That's cool.
I think this is the doll. I have this cute little baby.
So we got the tiny toys. So we got, oh, it looks like there's a little box in here. I think this is, oh, whoa. Oh, look at that, it's like a little suitcase. And just peel that. Get this whole thing off, and once we do that, we can unbox our little robo buddy.
That looks cool.
Whoa, look at its little package. We can just pop this top. And our blind bag. Okay, here we go.
This is cute.
Let's rip this. Oh, whoa. Oh, this is a part of the camper van. Oh, I know what you need to do. You need to collect a whole bunch of them to fully make the camper van.
Okay, we got this little robot. Here's the last one. Let's do it. We got this little note. I wonder what it says. Good hair day! Here's all the blind bags. Look, we got this little sticker. Oh, look at this cute little outfit. Got a little bottle. A little headband. A little cute purse. Some shoes. And here's the doll. We got this cute little girl. That is a double little Easter stuff.
Okay, guys, so that's the end of this video. If you like the video, make sure to go like and subscribe and hit that bell for more awesome content. Goodbye!